Reporting live from Cincinnati with breaking news. The 8,930-foot tall Mount Tambora has erupted. This volcano is 57,000 years old and is located in Tambora, Indonesia. It has been centuries since its last eruption. This volcano has hydrous magma, which means it's magma. When it shakes or is moved by like a volcano, it builds up steam and pressure and gases that finally get so compact and stuff, it'll blow the top off, sort of like a pop can. If you shake it and you throw it against the ground, it'll break. Now reporting to you live, we have a reporter on the scene going to you live in Indonesia, Jce.
Jce, we're live. Jce?
What?
We're live, on TV.
Oh, right. We're in some country. Starts with an I. So, in the south area. There's like a volcano going on behind me, if you can't tell. Pretty stoked about it. Oh my. Whoa.
You're not looking so good, dude.
You sure?
Yeah,
It's kind of cool.
I'm not sure if you're gonna make it.
No. Yeah. You hurt. Well, I'm kind of tired now, so I'm just gonna lay down.
I think that'd be a good idea.
Yeah.
When the eruption happened, I was at my cousin's house in Utah. When we saw the columns of flame rise up in the horizon, he knew immediately it must be Mount Tambora. He'd been studying the mountain for a few months. We then drove to his friend's house, who flew us to Malaysia. We stayed there for a few days and heard word that ash was covering Indonesia. We then feared it might spread to Malaysia, so we moved to Tokyo.
Reporting live from Cincinnati, 2 weeks after the Mount Tambora eruption, and things are not looking any better. The ash is almost blocking out the sun, and it's freezing cold. There's been 71,000 deaths recorded, and there was 10,000 at the main eruption. This has been the worst volcano in our history, well, for the death count. Things are not looking, there's famine and disease from the ash. The ash has killed all the crops, and the agriculture of the area is dying. The effects are now almost worldwide. I don't know how much longer we can take this. There might not be a summer.